How to build a smart, low-maintenance vegetable garden in 2025. In 2025, the concept of the smart garden hath evolved beyond automated sprinklers and app-based monitoring systems. Today's garden is about merging sustainability, time-saving strategies, and small space efficiency. With more people turning to homegrown food due to economic fluctuations and a global emphasis on self-sufficiency, vegetable gardening hath shifted towards smarter, scalable models that even beginners can follow. One of the best ways to make this possible is through a low-maintenance, high-yield setup that respects time constraints, space limitations, and climate unpredictability. Start with smart soil planning. In today's gardening, not all dirt is equal. In 2025, regenerative soil blend, they come embedded with slow-release organic amendments and water-retaining crystals, but keep moisture levels balanced for days at a time. What's important is building a soil base that can support heavy feeders, like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers without constant top-ups. Raised beds or vertical bag beds filled with this kind of soil mix create the ideal foundation. Layer the base with a moisture-locking coir mat. Then add a 10-to-1 blend of compost and regenerative soil for long-term performance. Once the base is set, it's all about companion planting and verticality. The trend for 2025 is modular vertical gardening. Prefab trellis systems with snap-in-place planters or hanging baskets that utilize every inch of space vertically. Intercropping kale beneath trellised tomatoes or planting fast-growing radishes beside slower-growing peppers maximizes yield and deters pests. Smart companion planting apps help select the right plant neighbors based on modern pest resistance databases and yield data. Mixing in flowers like nasturtiums or marigolds also repels aphids and whiteflies, reducing the need for sprays or daily maintenance. Automation now includes eco-timers, low-energy, solar-powered watering systems integrated with sensors that check real-time moisture levels and weather forecasts. These systems only water when necessary, reducing waste and preventing overwatering. In combination with mulch made from recycled paper or biodegradable films, this smart tech setup means many gardeners only need to visit their beds twice a week. You can go even further by installing composting worm towers directly in the garden bed. These vertical tubes allow you to compost kitchen scraps while feeding the garden below, cutting waste and creating a micro-ecosystem that boosts productivity with minimal effort. Finally, seasonal adaptability is crucial. With weather becoming more unpredictable, 2025 gardens are modular and flexible. Pop-up cold frames and shade sails made from light reactive fabrics can be mounted in seconds to protect crops from sudden frosts or extreme heat. Most gardeners now use AI-generated planting calendars based on their exact GPS location, giving personalized guides for what to plant, when to harvest, and what to rotate next. These tools prevent common mistakes like sowing too early or missing peak harvest windows. The goal is resilience and independence, growing the right vegetables in the right conditions with minimal stress, while making use of tech tools that are easy to install and manage with just a smartphone. This shift towards smarter, image-friendly gardening makes it easier to illustrate progress and success with compelling visuals. From poster-ready soil layering guides to dramatic before and after trellis setups, this format resonates perfectly with digital audiences who want both inspiration and actionable advice.